Good day everyone. Welcome to Electric Car Showroom, where we showcase new line of electric vehicles and technologies coming from famous car manufacturers from around the world. After bringing a record number of cars in 2020, Tesla Incorporated sets the period for a new year with global expansion on its cards. Since the Model S Plaid Plus, Cybertruck and a new Gigafactory, if Tesla's grand developments unfold as promised, 2021 should be a huge year for Team Musk. We all know that Tesla is famous for many brilliant things, but achieving deadlines has never been one of them. The company and CEO Elon Musk have big things guaranteed for this year, and with crazy growth in the company's estimation in 2020, Tesla should have the assets to put more of its ambitious ideas into action.
New vehicle modifications in the pickup truck market always garner a lot of attention, but none more so than the yet-to-be-released electric Cybertruck being developed by Elon Musk. One of the reasons this Tesla truck is so hotly anticipated is because it's nothing like we've ever seen before. The boxy, futuristic design was first unveiled in 2019, and since then, Tesla enthusiasts have been waiting on pins and needles for the production model to shred its way into real life. Recently, Elon Musk tossed some crumbs to his fans, saying that Tesla had some Cybertruck updates to reveal. Today, we will discuss the new major changes coming to the Tesla Cybertruck, analyze specs, design, and price. While the Cybertruck's outlandish exterior may be what earned it so much attention last year, the most radical aspects of the vehicle may be its performance. Never one to undersell, especially a vehicle he spent so much time building up, Musk basically promised that the truck would represent an electric revolution of sorts, and if the pickup delivers, he might not be that far off. When it eventually goes on sale, the Cybertruck will be available in 3 different variants. The entry-level pickup features one motor and a rear-wheel drive system, while the 2 and 3 motor models will both have all-wheel drive. As you may have guessed, the more motors your Cybertruck has, the better its performance, with the tri-motor version able to zoom from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds, which is basically unheard of for a production truck. As of now, Tesla has not released any information about the Cybertruck's horsepower, but we would expect each model to offer progressively more grunt. The truck also promises the kind of towing capacity normally associated with the most powerful gas-powered trucks on the road. At the unveiling, Musk claimed the single-motor model will be able to tow 7,500 pounds, the dual-motor 10,000 pounds, and the tri-motor 14,000 pounds, which is almost twice as the top-selling truck in the US, the Ford F-150. Tesla has yet to demonstrate these claims or address how a giant payload will affect the vehicle's performance in other ways, but these are enticing numbers. Those who thought the Tesla Model 3 interior was minimalistic will relive that reaction when they see the Cybertruck's Spartan cabin. While many features and options haven't been disclosed, the first images show a slab-like dashboard that is solely dominated by one large touchscreen. The Cybertruck will also be able to seat up to 6 people, and its 6'4" cargo bed offers 100 cubic feet of volume. It also has a nifty slide-out tailgate that doubles as a ramp to load 4-wheelers and motorcycles. What might be the most surprising about the Cybertruck, and could be its most appealing feature, is its price. According to Tesla, the vehicle will be remarkably accessible. Despite its cutting-edge features and beefy performance, the single-motor model starts at an affordable $39,900, while the dual-motor and tri-motor editions will sell for $49,900 and $69,900 respectively. You can also add Tesla's self-driving technology Autopilot to the vehicle for $8,000, though the brand warns that costs may increase over time. There is a lot to be intrigued by with the Cybertruck, but its price may be most responsible for the wild pre-order numbers. Within a week of its announcement, 200,000 people had reserved one of the trucks. and that number has grown more than threefold since. Of course, it only costs $100 to pre-order a Cybertruck, and that fee is completely refundable if you choose not to buy it. Still, those pre-orders offer proof that the vehicle is stirring excitement and anticipation ahead of its release. Color changes. One of the prominent features of the Tesla Cybertruck is its natural exposed steel. The lack of stamped body panels helped eliminate dents and small damage and long-term corrosion, but it limits color options to wraps. At first, the CEO responded to a comment that it wouldn't be impossible to get a Cybertruck in, quote, white oxide. Later, Musk directly confirmed that the Cybertruck's cold rolled steel body could be heated to get different colors. Here's some really cool colors you can get by heating steel. This chemical heating process will not harm the integrity of the steel, which could be a solid alternative to wraps. Even more interesting is the fact that you could use a laser to heat parts of the steel and create a tattoo of sorts. However, it's unclear if it's something that would have to be done aftermarket or if Tesla could offer its own solution. Camper configuration. Musk has promised that the Cybertruck will be so much more than a normal pickup. Late last year, the CEO said that the vehicle would be available with some sick attachments, and the burgeoning industry of add-ons suggests that he could be right. A stainless steel, Airstream-like trailer and a camper configuration will allow you to turn the truck's bed into a mobile living space. Also in the works is the Cyberquad, a four-wheel electric AV that fits right into the truck bed. Last year, Elon Musk said that Tesla is working on an official, quote, party and camper mode with the new Tesla Cybertruck. It sounds like this mode is going to be particularly useful with a camper configuration that Tesla unveiled. It not only consists of a tent that can be attached to the back of the truck, but it also appears to have a bed platform for a mattress. Musk has confirmed Tesla will be selling the camper configuration as an accessory. However, the price point is still unclear. In addition to the new camper configuration, all Cybertrucks have an adjustable air suspension that can be raised or lowered on the fly and provides up to 16 inches of ground clearance, proving the Cybertruck to be a formidable off-road machine for camping. Production delays and release date. Elon Musk warned that Tesla would need to be lucky in order to deliver some Cybertruck electric pickups this year. When Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck in 2019, the automaker said that production would start in 2021. This was always an ambitious goal, considering all the innovations that Tesla needed to achieve to bring the vehicle, which is built on an exoskeleton, to production. Recently, Elon Musk warned that there will be challenges to bring the Cybertruck to production on time since it requires new manufacturing methods. In a conference call following the release of Tesla's Q4 2020 earnings, Musk said that if Tesla is lucky, they could do a few deliveries at the end of 2021. Musk has finished almost all of Cybertruck engineering and is no longer iterating at the design level. His team is working on ordering the equipment necessary to make the Cybertruck work. Tesla has been ordering a lot of big casting machines lately and was seen taking delivery of one at Gigafactory, Texas, where they plan to build the Cybertruck. With the current timeline and production schedule, the Cybertruck is expected to be released late this year for the dual-motor all-wheel drive version. The single-motor versions will be released in late 2022. Do you like the new changes to the Cybertruck? Or do you think there should be more improvements? Tell us in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos on everything Tesla and Elon Musk.